Hello everybody, we are now going to see another calculator. This is a Felt and Tarrant Comptometer model 3D11. This model has been built from 1950 to 1961 in Chicago, Illinois, USA. The history of Comptometer is very long, started in 1887. The Comptometer kept the same function till 1961 when the production stopped and the brand was sold to a British company. First of all, let's take a look on the back. On the back there is a metal plate. 3D11 is the model and Comptometer, and here is in Italian registered trademark, marca registrata, the number of patent, Felt and Tarrant, Chicago, Illinois, and the name of the Italian reseller. And today we would add a simple paper label, but here we find the metal plate. On the time devices must be durable in every of their parts. Consumerism was yet to come. There is also another metal plate, is the company owning the calculator. Learning to operate with this Comptometer was not easy. There was a manual with 120 pages to read, and the operator would learn to use both hands to operate faster. The manual tells that the machine should be placed on the desk in front, slightly to the right, and turned slightly to an angle. The sheets should be placed here on the left. The manual tells that the pen should be held with the right hand with the point away from the operator to avoid injuries while operating. The manual tells also that the operator should sit erect with both feet on the floor. The keyboard should be placed low enough and there should be enough light to read the dial of the calculator. You see some rows of keys are depressed and other alternated keys are flat, so that the operator can feel better which line are his fingers on without looking at it. Manual recommend to use the middle finger for the extreme right hand keys and the index for the other keys. The home position is with the fingers over the 3 and the 30 on the extreme right of the keyboard. The manual also tells not to go too fast, but to maintain a regular pace when typing. Operating with the Comptometer was not easy, but once the operator learned it, he could make addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, calculation with payrolls and so on. If you look at the keyboard, you see it's complicated since the beginning. There are 2 numbers for every button. The large numbers are for addition and multiplications, and the small numbers are used in subtraction and divisions. When you make additions, you use only the keys numbered from 1 to 5. For example, number 6 is registered by pressing 3 twice. And number 7 is registered by pressing 4 and then 3. 10 is registered by pressing 5 twice. Multiplying is made like this. Let's say we have to multiply 56 by 64. You have to place fingers on 64 and press 6 times for units. Then move both fingers one place to the left and press 5 times in this position. This is the tens positions. For hundreds, you move one place further left, then thousand, etc. The subtraction is not so easy. We have to use the small numbers on the keyboard. Example 256 minus 126. Type 256 on the machine. on the machine on the right side. These are the subtraction buttons. Press the subtraction button immediately to the left of the fourth figure in the machine, in this case 2, until completion of subtraction. Then press small 1 in the hundredths column, small 2 in the tens column, and small 5. Why 5 and not 6? Because for some reason the calculator asks to register the number less 1. Divisions are really much more complicated. You have to write the number to be divided on the left side of the machine, place the decimal pointer and move it through the calculation. Then write the divisor using the small figures on the keys, always less 1. So if you have to divide for 35, you have to write 34. Then you have to consider the number appearing in the dial on the left and use to press the key. Every time this number changes, you change as well. Then you go on like this till the end of calculation. Very complicated, I'm sorry, but the operators become very fast in doing this, and in some places, till the end of 60 years, operators were faster than modern calculator operators and didn't want to use other calculators. No wonder, if you spend so many time learning a so complicated series of operations, you don't want to start again studying another calculator. Many thanks for listening, have an happy life and enjoy your calculators.